In today's tutorial, I'm going to explain to you guys how to put your Asus laptop into sleep mode using a function key on your keyboard. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So typically, the keyboard key, it may vary depending on the Asus brand, but there will likely be a crescent moon icon or a Z key. Sometimes it will just be the FN and the F1 key combination, or just the F11 key or function 11 key. So again, if there's a crescent moon icon, that would be sleep mode, or there could be like a little Z icon, like the little symbol if you're going to sleep. And again, there may also be a keyboard shortcut of the F11 key or function 11 key on the top of your keyboard, or a key combination of the FN and the F1 key. And that's hopefully pretty much all you have to do. You can go underneath the search button or start menu search and search for sleep. Best result should come back, or one of the best results should see underneath settings where it says power, sleep, and battery settings. Go ahead and select that. And then if you go down here, there should be a power button control item. Click that drop down. And where it says pressing the power button will make my PC. Click the drop down and you can select your option to go turn into sleep mode. You can also do that for on battery if you're on a laptop device. So again, you'd set this to sleep and then the power button would put your computer to sleep mode. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.